Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create custom emojis for your Discord server. So for this, first of all, just open up your Discord and then open up your server which you want to add custom emojis. Navigate to your server settings by right clicking the server's icon in the top left corner. On the server settings page, look for the emoji tab located on the top left hand menu. Then select it, the emoji settings will open up. Here you can add up to 50 custom emojis that anyone on the server can use. To create and upload custom emojis, click on this Upload Emojis. This will open up the File Explorer on Windows. Navigate to the folder that contains your desired emoji image and double click on it. This will automatically bring your image resized as an emoji on the server. You can rename your emoji by clicking on its name here. With the uploaded emoji, you will also be able to see the username of who has uploaded that particular emoji. Once you are done creating and uploading your emojis on the server, you can easily use them. To do so, navigate to your server text channel. Here, select the emoji button. You will find your custom emoji listed under the server's name. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.